Good evening, everyone. I'm hanging out in my office slash craft room in the basement. I'm putting together a fabric swag, so I thought I'd show you how I did it, how I'm doing it. I have left over from, I think it was when I did Emma's room, I did a picture board in there for her. This fabric, it was shabby chic. It's beautiful. Pink flowers on it, pink backing, a little bit of cream to it. I thought since I had it, I might as well use it. Then I picked this fabric up at Hobby Lobby. It's a beautiful cream color with little pink twigs on it. And then this green, I absolutely love this green. It's, again, I got it at Hobby Lobby. It was on sale, so you couldn't really complain about the price on that one. So what I've done is I've cut strips. I think I have about 20 strips. They're ranging from about a ½ inch to inch wide. I wasn't consistent with my size. I didn't figure I needed to be because it was just kind of a little fabric swag and it doesn't really need to be. I took jute twine that I had and I took 2 pieces because I wanted a little bit more sturdiness to it. Made a loop at both of the ends, and I think this measures about 42 inches long. Tied off and everything. So all I'm doing is going between the 3 colors. I've got this, the shabby chic one is kind of shorter than the other ones, so I decided that I would put this in between the colors, the other 2 colors every so often. So right here I've got the shabby chic one and then the cream, so I'm going to put on this green. All I did is just pulled it underneath my string, looped it around to tie it, and pulled tight, and just kind of pushed it down. And now I want to do the shabby chic one again. I think I have about 20 strips cut is what I have on of each of these. So just tie it on, pull it, and just kind of push it over. And like I said, I'm going back and forth between these colors. It's a quick little simple and quick craft. I have one in Emma's room. I think Isabel has one in her room. And then I have one in the laundry room. And the one in the laundry room I put a lot of fabric on, but I think I probably didn't have to, but I think that one looks cute the way it is. The girls, I'm positive I didn't put that much fabric on theirs. So like I said, I'm just going back and forth between the 3 fabrics. I'm putting the green one on now, tying it off, and then I'll go and get the shabby chic. Throw that on. Simple. I think when we did the one for Isabel's room, I think she actually did it, so not to discredit her or anything, it's pretty simple craft. So there's the, and I'm not worrying about if they're even or not because it kind of gives it a little bit more character that way. I think they all, even though they're different prints, I think it looks really super cute together. I was also thinking that this would be like really cute to hang as a curtain, maybe even, like in a kitchen. I think if I had a window in my laundry room, that would be definitely where my swag would be. My swag is hanging in the laundry room above my my washboards that I have. So there was the green. Now I'm going for the shabby chic. So I'm just going to keep on doing this until I get this all filled up. If I need more, I have more fabric to cut, but I think I should be fine. When I bought the 2 other the other day, the 2 other fabrics, I just bought I got a ½ yard each cut, and I have plenty left over, so I can probably actually do 2 of these. It looks like I might actually run out of the shabby chic one first, because that one I'm doing twice as much as the other 2. So I kind of tie it on and then tighten it as I get it where I want it. I always like finding quick, easy crafts to do. I like to keep myself busy somehow or another. I get bored easily, so if I can make something, I feel like I'm utilizing my time, or else I'm on working on the blog. So, and I think I'm almost to the end where I want to stop this anyways. Maybe I might cut another one or 2 of the shabby chic one. So when I cut, because I'm not like being precise about my cut, I don't like measuring stuff. Yeah, so they're kind of zigzaggy, but that, again, it adds character. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the shabby chic and just kind of eyeball it, cut with my scissors. I debated about getting, I don't know what those other scissors are called. They're like a zigzag. I debated about doing that. I think with Isabel's, I think we did use hers, but I thought for this one, it wasn't what I wanted for hers. Hers is kind of like, I guess, like if you had to pick a theme for the one that she did for her row, it's like a Midnight in Paris kind of theme. She's been after me. She says, when are we gonna do my room? I've been thinking about that one. I really want to give it more thought. So unfortunately for her, it's not getting done as fast as she would like, but she'll be okay. So continue tying these on. And I think where Isabel has hers is just hanging off from a shelf. She's got like a shelf that's got like little pegs on it. I think hers is hanging that way, and Emma's swag is hanging in above her closet door. All 3 of them look really cute hanging up. Again, I really, if I had a window somewhere that I'd want to put these, I would do it. But I don't have a window that I could use a swag like this for. But anyways, so here we are, the last one. Get that down. And there you have it. Beautiful swag. Hope you enjoyed my little tutorial. Bye-bye, guys.